Hello, everyone. Welcome to Teens Health Corner. I am your host, Beline Williams, and today I will be sharing a video with you on dribbling a ball. I know that this video may be an interest for our boys more than our girls, right? But it is a simple, safe activity that teens can be engaged in doing while at home. It is quite simple and you get a feel of it as you go along. So to do this, you'll need a football and you just kick it around a bit, you know, and you can be creative in your moves and style and just really have fun. By doing this, you will get some physical activity going on for you. Your heart rate and breathing rate, of course, will increase and you will have a good amount of workout for that time. So please remember afterwards to drink some water. All right, so let's look at this video. All right. Right, so there's a young man here dribbling his football. He's at home and he's having fun doing it. He's kicking it around, he's moving around. And like I said, you can just be creative in your own way, doing your own thing and just have fun. All right? And always remember after these physical activities, after working out, to drink plenty of water. All right? Thank you so very much. Tune in next time.